Today, we're diving into how to streamline your newsletter with ChatGPT, focusing on content curation tips that will save you time and elevate the quality of your newsletters. Let's get started. ChatGPT can be your powerful assistant in discovering relevant content. Imagine you need the latest news and trends for your newsletter, but don't have the time to shift through numerous sources. That's where ChatGPT comes in. So let's prompt ChatGPT right here in the input box with a specific query related to our newsletter topic. This way, we can gather a curated list of articles, blog posts, and news stories. Any content that is, based on what we're going to ask to ChatGPT. So simply paste together or type in here your prompt. So simply type right here or paste together your prompt. Then here's mine, for instance. Give me the latest news and trends in digital marketing for my newsletter. Now, let's send this prompt to ChatGPT and see what it finds for us. So here we go. This should take just a moment. As you can see, it's currently searching, browsing. Here we go. And look at that as it currently processes right here. As you can see, here is a curated list of relevant topics and articles and such. There are the links right next to each of the paragraphs right here. Yeah, all ready to be included in your newsletter. This saves you the time and effort of manually searching through multiple sources, letting you focus on other important tasks. Using ChatGPT for content discovery ensures you always have fresh and up to date information for your readers, making your newsletter a valuable resource they look forward to. Long articles can be overwhelming for your readers. Summarizing lengthy content into digestible snippets can make your newsletter more engaging and easier to read. So, for this, ChatGPT can help with that. Let's take a long article on the latest email marketing trends, for example, then ask ChatGPT down here to summarize it. This will help us provide our readers with key takeaways without all the fluff. So we'll ask ChatGPT right here to summarize it for us. Here we go. So just type in or paste together your prompt like this. Summarize this article on the latest email marketing trends. As you can see, let's say I just pasted here the link. So here we go. Now we hit enter right now. And for that, ChatGPT will process the information right here, as you can see. Then it will provide us a concise summary. So you can see right here. And yeah, here we go. So within seconds, as you can see, ChatGPT has delivered a brief yet informative summary. So this way, you can deliver valuable information to your readers in a clear, efficient manner, keeping your newsletter concise and engaging. Using ChatGPT for summarizing content ensures that your readers get the most important information quickly, enhancing their reading experience and making your newsletter a go to source. See? When you're curating content for your newsletter, it's essential to add your own insights and commentary. This not only adds value, but also showcases your expertise. Let's see how ChatGPT right here can assist with generating ideas for insightful commentary. So let's go down here in the input box, then put together your prompt like this one. Provide insights on the impact of social media on email marketing for my newsletter. Now, let's send this prompt to ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. So you can see right here, while is it processing right here, this is where the magic happens. So ChatGPT will process the request and generate some valuable insights, as you can see right here. So each of them revealed right here. For instance, enhanced engagement, improvised personalization. See? Quite helpful, I must say. So, yeah, by incorporating these insights into your newsletter, you enhance your role as a thought leader, offering more than just aggregated content. Your readers will appreciate the added perspective and that you bring to the topics. So, if you find this video helpful so far, please subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could just take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. One of the best ways to streamline your workflow is by automating routine tasks with ChatGPT. This can help you with everything from scheduling posts to formatting your newsletter and even generating personalized greetings for your readers. So here's an example, which the latter that we're going to do for this segment. So let's go down here. Then let me show you the next prompt that I put together. Create a personalized greeting for my newsletter subscribers. See? And now let's send this prompt over to ChatGPT. And here we go. Now we watch it generate a personalized greeting right now. So this process is quick and it saves you from spending time on repetitive tasks. And yeah, here we go. So with this personalized greeting ready to go, you can now focus on more with curating high quality content for your newsletter. Automating these routine tasks means you have more time and energy to invest in what really matters, delivering value to your readers. See? Quality and relevance are key to a successful newsletter. It's crucial to ensure your content is error free and aligns with your audience's interests. Why not let ChatGPT right here, once more, help with that? Let's have ChatGPT proofread a section of our newsletter and suggest improvements. Or we can just go for the whole newsletter right now. So this way, we can catch any mistakes and make sure our content is top notch. So here's my prompt right here. Proofread my newsletter and suggest any improvements. Now, so in support with this prompt, let me pull out a document of, let's say, my draft of my newsletter. Let's see. You can either grab your document from Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, or straight from your computer. I'll just use my computer. Let's just go right here, and yeah, here we go. Here's the document. So after this, let's send this prompt over to ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. This should take a while for this process. So yeah, as it currently processes, there might be suggestions or any tips that could help out improve your newsletter here and there. So yeah, as you can see, they're currently generating each section that could possibly reshape or restructure or even fix the grammar here and there. There we go. There's the conclusion. Then, yeah, here are the improvements right here. See, here are the following, just as recommended from ChatGPT. And yeah, so, with these suggestions, we can polish our newsletter to ensure it resonates with our readers and maintains a high standard of quality. This makes our content more engaging and professional. So, using ChatGPT for proofreading helps us deliver a polished product, ensuring our readers get the best experience possible. And there you have it. Those are some of the best content curation tips to streamline your newsletter with ChatGPT.